Hey everyone, it's Eddie. Welcome to week number 4 in EDCI 6710 at CSU Bakersfield. And this week we're talking about educational technology. So remember, the first 3 weeks was all about understanding ourselves in the learning environment or in the online learning environment, understanding our students in their online learning environment, and then being able to connect that in regards to issues with parents and guardians and things that they need to be aware of. Now we're going to begin to evaluate or to review the tools to better understand what we have the ability to actually use and create dynamic online learning environments. So your assignments this week, you're going to go ahead and jump into the Flipgrid discussion board. This discussion board is going to be a little bit different. You don't have to comment on the readings, although the readings are required to be able to do the task that's due in 2 weeks. What you're going to be doing in the discussion board is you're going to actually be sharing some of the tools that you might use within your class, and then letting others know why these tools are great and how exactly you use them. And then the next piece that you're going to want to do is you want to select the tech tool that you're going to review. However, be aware that that selection is first come, first serve. So it's going to be good for you to get in there early and sign up for the tool that you want to look at. Next, you want to make sure that you sign up to meet with me. You can meet with me in the week starting on the 15th and then also starting on the 22nd. It's going to be a brief meeting, but that's where we're going to be talking about the signature assignment and making sure that you have everything ready to be successful as we head into the second half of the course. And then just make sure you select your tool. So looking ahead, the EdTech tool review is going to be due on the 28th. So that's going to be 2 weeks from now. Okay, so this is the template that you're going to be downloading for to review your technology tool. And I began a review of Flipgrid. And let's see. So you're going to see all the pieces are made. I want you to keep the pieces the way that they are. So you're going to try and conform, and I hate to do that, but you're going to try and conform to this because these are going to be a part of a larger collection of items that come from the entire class. And you'll learn more about that next week. But yeah, so this is my review of Flipgrid. You might do Class Dojo, you might do Socrative, FET simulations. That's going to be totally up to you. Then once you get the app, you're not actually going to have to implement the app, but you want to give us a product overview. You want to do this like in a very conversational first person style. So imagine that this is you in the break room and you're pitching a new tool to a colleague or a friend. You could be funny, you could be let your personality shine here. You're going to tell us what it's the tool, where is it available, who is it designed for, the pricing, the plans. Is it friendly for blended learning? Is it friendly for online learning? Does it facilitate collaboration? Your overall rating. Now, this is where the readings come in, and you're going to have to read up on exactly what is TPAC and then talk about the relationship, or talk about the tool in relationship to the TPAC model. And I know these are going to be new topics for you, but the readings are pretty good and they go over it well. And then you're also going to want to talk about the tool in relation to the SAMR model. And then finally, you're going to want to talk about it in relation to equity. And there's a great article that also discusses the relationship between technology or educational technology and equity. And then finally, you're going to give us some additional thoughts, and you'll be set and done. So just to wrap it up, this week, you want to go through the readings, you want to share the tools that you use in your class, and you want to sign up for a tool that you plan on reviewing. And then last but not least, you want to make sure that you sign up for an appointment with me. If the appointment slots that I have there are they're not good for you, just reach out and I could make something happen for you. Now, recognize that those are just time slots, and you'll be coming in with other with your peers. But however, they're not your group. They're just coming in at the same time to make sure that you all get the same information. Definitely reach out if you have any questions, and I hope you all have a great weekend.